Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. So today's video is talking about, the number one question I get asked the most from people online. Okay? So a lot of people observe my behavior from afar and they see that, over the past year and a half, I've been doing a lot less activity than what I used to in the past. And a lot of people are asking, Bryce, why are you not doing as much as what you used to be? I thought that in order to really make money on the interwebs and be standing out on social media, you have to be doing more. And I'm like, that's actually, incorrect. The reason why I say it's incorrect, to some extent, is because you need to really understand who you're talking to and understand what they actually want. There's a lot of people on the interwebs. Some of the biggest guys on the interwebs, for example, like a Ty Lopez. I was just looking at his YouTube channel. There's only like 40 videos on his YouTube channel, and I'm like, what? It feels like there were so many more videos that he was doing because he was pushing advertisements to those videos. Now, the reason why he was able to do like 30 or 40 videos is because he had it dialed in where he knew exactly what his market wanted. He knew exactly what it took to get attention and how to actually hold that attention once he got it. Now, that is something I've been working on for the past year and a half, and I finally was able to figure it out. Right? The ability to go grab attention, see what people want, pull it back in, so now they're consistently trying to follow along with your life journey and follow along with your training and your tutelage. Once they're able to do that, then it's just a matter of time before they start reaching out to you to say, hey, do you want to start working with me, or can you work with me? What's your pricing? Or hey, how can I do this with you? How can we get started? Okay, and that's why I've been doing a lot less. For example, some of my clients, when they first get started with me, they're doing like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, Medium.com, all these different channels, and they're doing 5 or 6 or 7 different posts, maybe one video a day and just a bunch of different things. And I'm like, well, which one actually gets you results? And they have no idea, or they don't have any results at all. And I'm like, okay, cool. Why don't we do step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4? Once we get those steps going, then they start saying, wait, what? It can't be that easy. And they start moving. And they're like, wow, okay, so this is crazy. I've been doing so much more work for the past X amount of time. Some of them have been spinning their wheels for upwards of 3 to 4 to 5 years. And I'm like, that's crazy. That's crazy. Instead, let's just do this 4-step system, step by step, and let's start moving. Let's start moving forward. We're going to be doing less and we're going to be getting more. We're going to be doing less in terms of, running around in circles, feeling frantic, feeling like we're busy, and be more effective. Only doing the things that are going to move, the needle forward in our business. If that's something that you've been searching for, maybe you're just tired, right? You've been doing it for a certain number of years, but it just hasn't worked out for you. If that's you, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below. It's just a link to my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies, where, as the name suggests, we're giving you everything that you need step by step to start moving towards the goal that you have. Whether that's the goal to be able to go travel around the world, whether it's to, fill a complete passport, whether that's to be able to, quit your job and not have to work from somebody else again, whether, you just hate your boss because they never have your back and they're always writing you, just whatever the case might be for you. Maybe you want to spend more time with your children. I don't know. I'm not in front of you right now, but those are some of the different things that it was for me. I didn't want to have to be taking a daily commute. If I didn't want to show up someplace and I didn't feel like it that day, then I didn't want to have to do that. That's what this business has allowed me to do. If that's something you're searching for, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to share this information with someone who can benefit. Have a great day. See you later. Take it easy. Talk to you soon.